Network marketing has been a legitimate business model for more than 100 years, offering income to more than 150 million people worldwide and totaling more than $200 billion in annual sales. Unfortunately, there are quite a few problems with network marketing, such as companies cutting down on commission payouts, shutting down their operations, and disappearing as there aren't many regulations to prevent dishonest companies from existence. This leads to a devastating situation where people are fooled by nice stories, big promises, and unreal bonuses in order to lure more people to join the company. People's hopes and wishes to improve their lives is being abused by those companies that market their products or schemes without integrity and long-term goals and vision, just empty promises. And this ruins the reputation of network marketing.
We wanted to create a company that really shows what network marketing is about, how it can help people and how to do it ethically. The goal of Success Factory is to become the biggest network marketing company in the world and at the same time to build up the reputation of network marketing. We want to give people an opportunity to become entrepreneurs so they can improve their living standards. An opportunity for everyone who truly wants to improve their lifestyle, whether it is extra income, main income, or financial independence.
Success Factory is not a network marketing company that just sells or promotes products. It is a company for building a community of people who want to strive to become better, a community of people who are positive, success-minded, and supportive.
This is what attracts the great leadership and helps to create the best and most straightforward training system, teaching our affiliates how to promote and build up their teams in an ethical and correct way so they turn into sustainable and fruitful businesses. The unique setup of products and services with innovative products helps our affiliates have good income already today. And as a long-term business, they can create strong passive income streams for their future.
Success Factory started with 3 partner companies which offer unique and innovative products to our customers. Over time, more and more products will be added which will be suitable for all our customers. These partner companies give our affiliates active income today, and they help build up a passive income stream for the future.
This builds a solid ground for people who are able to become financially independent and free. Moreover, the ground for people to be content while having lots of positive friends. Friends with whom they have made an impact and created a legacy. The most successful entrepreneurs and network marketers are the ones who have built their businesses over a long period of time. They have created empires. Only this way you can achieve tremendous personal growth, a big and stable business, and extraordinary income. This is the opportunity with Success Factory. This is why we're here. It's all about you. Success Factory!